wanted to do a Halloween look because I did do a look, but I didn't record it. So I wanted to go ahead and try and do a Halloween look on camera. But I wanted to do something real easy, nothing that was going to take me a long time. But this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and put that all over our lid so we can create a clean canvas to work on. Okay, so the first shade we're going to go down with is ZOHRA, and that is in the SAHARAN 2. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. So now we're going to jump into the Morphe Dare to Create, and the shade is Indigo, and we'll go ahead and also put that into the crease, and we're going to go ahead and darken it up as much as we would like. So I do go back and forth between the two shades, that way everything is well blended together. Alright, so we're going to use the Plouise base to cut the crease. Alright, since we went ahead and cut the crease, we're going to go back into that shade Indigo, and we're going to put that on the outer corner, and we're going to blend it inwards. My bad, y'all. So I was supposed to show you what palette I was using, but I'm using the JUVIA'S SAHARAN 2, and I'm not going to say the name of the shade because I'm going to botch it, and I know I am, but it's the light blue shade in the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the rest of my lid. Alright, so right now I'm just, touching up everything, going back, putting back color that I may have missed or messed up or whatever. But you see. So right now I'm just blending the shade Indigo into the lighter blue. That way there's no harsh lines and everything is well blended. So here I'm just going back onto the other eye that I did off camera, and that's because I felt like I needed to bring the blue down some more. Alright, so for liner, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I want to say it's in black. So once I finish that, I'll go off camera and put on my foundation and all of that, and then I'll come back to show you what I was doing. Okay, so for this part, I did not show the whole thing of how I did it, but I'm just showing you a short clip of what I did. And originally, I wasn't sure, like I said. But what I did was I took some face paint, and then, which I just showed, and then I used a flat brush, made a line, and then used the smaller paintbrush to create the broken part. So some parts of the broken face I do shade in, but not all of it. So once I had stopped recording, I realized that it needed just a little bit more help. So I decided to use some of the white paint and give it just a little bit of white lines. That way it adds just a little light to it. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.